guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be decorating my entryway table as well as my coffee bar for spring. I am just so ready for spring. I'm sure many of you are as well. After the winter we had here, and it's literally so cold now as well. I am so looking forward to the nice weather to get here. Tomorrow it's supposed to be 60 here in New York, so that just makes me happy. Spring is my probably second favorite holiday and season. I love decorating, so I hope that you guys can get some inspiration, some decorating ideas. I'm not gonna go too crazy, but I'm just gonna give a little something and brighten up the space, and of course bring some Easter and spring vibes in here. So I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big like, and don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos on my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here and showing support. Let's just get on into the video. So I'm just gonna start off here with my coffee bar. I really love this piece. I have it about 2 years now, and I got it off Wayfair. What I really like about it is that middle compartment that you can put storage. I usually put my smaller appliances and just stuff that I want to get off the kitchen counter, and then it has that bottom section which I just usually put more decor. I really like the white and the wood tone. So I'm just going to give it a good cleaning, and then I will start decorating. But before that, we have to put up a banner every holiday and season. I love putting banners up. I got this cute bunny one from Target. And then I will just go ahead and start decorating my mini shelf. And I'm just going to start off with layering some cutting boards. Isn't that bunny one so cute? That's from Target. And then I'll just go from there. These little eggs are from Hobby Lobby. One says bunny and one says spring. This bunny is from Home Goods. I picked it up last year, and it says Happy Easter. And I needed something for the end of the shelf, so I had this really skinny vase, and I found these pretty pink florals, and I think it all tied together nicely, and it gave it that pop of color that it needed. And then I just found these wooden beads. They're carrots, and that's from TJ Maxx. Staying up all night. Everything is all right. Oh, I wanna be with you. Now for the top of the coffee bar, I'm going to go in with this burlap coffee bar mat, which I got from Amazon. Then I just picked up this Keurig K-cup holder. What I like about it is that it gives the coffee maker a little bit more height. And then I'll just go in with this wooden riser, and I always put my sugar and honey bowls right underneath. And this adorable wicker bunny is from Target. I picked up that white riser from Hobby Lobby, and this adorable creamer is from Home Goods. And it has a little bunny on it. It's so cute. I just put a little piece of tissue paper in there so I can give what I'm putting in the creamer a little bit more height. So it's just a little burlap bag, and it has coffee beans in there, which is why I just smelled it. And these cute little wooden spoons are also from Hobby Lobby. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under street lights, doing what we want to. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand. So for underneath my shelf, there's a few pegs. I always like to put either coffee mugs or some decor. So in this case, I'm going to put this beautiful wreath from the Target Dollar Spot. I believe they have them again this year. I think they're super cute. I picked up a few of them last year. And then these wooden beads, which are from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of drape it on my riser. So to finish off the top of my coffee bar, I'm going to decorate this cute little tiered tray, which is from Target. I really love the wicker look. and it also ties in nicely with that wicker style bunny. So I just found some mini plants. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in, as well as these wooden bunny ears, which are from Walmart. It fit perfectly on the top of the tray. That little sign and those carrots are from the Target dollar spot. I really love how it turned out, and all the pops of color, and it just feels so spring-like. It just makes me so happy. So now for the bottom section of my coffee bar, I had an idea to use this old cake stand, and I just went ahead and put some pretty flowers in the middle of that bottom section, and I lined my coffee mugs all around. So the cake stand has a lip around it, so it actually protects the mugs from falling, which is nice. So I think it turned out really pretty. If you have some greenery, that would look pretty as well in there. I just wish I had more room on my countertops or even this coffee bar to showcase this a little better, but it is what it is, so I'm making do. And these wicker baskets come in a set of 3. That's from Amazon. I just love them, and I went ahead and put some greenery and I just draped it over. I love the look of that, and I think it all tied together really nice. All the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. Now I'm going to decorate my entryway table. This has to be one of my favorite things to decorate in my home. It's the first thing you see when you walk through the front door, and it just gives off that warm, welcoming, and cozy vibe. So I just love decorating it. I'm just going to start off by filling this glass vase with some eggs that I got from the Target dollar spot. And I also got some larger wooden eggs from Michael's. And then I found these beautiful long stem branch-like flowers also from Michael's. They're just something different than I would normally get. I really like the way this turned out. Now I'm just going to decorate this wooden bread bowl from Target. I just put some greenery on each end, and I'm going to create a little scene with this wooden bunny as well as some flowers and some eggs. I think it turned out really cute.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes.
These gold candlesticks are from Target. I really love them. They also had them in black, but I really love the gold look with the color of the wood, and all my decor kind of all ties in nicely. And then I have these LED candles, and I think it all looks really nice so far. But I'm going to, of course, add this garland. I usually put a garland on the front part of the table, but I wanted to do something a little different this year, so I just kind of draped it on top like that. And this accordion welcome sign is from Michael's, and then I just put 2 little vases with some baby's breath on each end, and another lantern on the bottom with a candle in the middle. That's also from Michael's. Then I took my other basket, which I have in the coffee bar on the bottom. I told you I had a set of 3, and I just kind of created a little vignette inside of this. And then I have my gold lantern, which I mentioned before, which also brings out the gold in those candlesticks, so everything really ties together nicely. I just went ahead and put a little mini plant in there, and this cute little bunny pillow from Target, and that throw blanket. So I think it all looks really nice. Let me know what you guys think. So that will be it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. I hope I could have given you some inspiration or some motivation to decorate your own coffee bar or entryway table. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys real soon in my next one.